Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to express my appreciation to the Azerbaijan Insurance Association for their hospitality, for well-organized conference. And of course, my thanks to very professional skill of Expreme, very professional team of Expreme. For so many years, they prepared for us so useful and interesting conferences. And I'm so glad to be today a part of this, especially for such an interesting topic as motor insurance. So I'm back to my presentation. First of all, I would like to give you very quickly comprehensive picture about what is going on the market, just to have some understanding. And then a little bit about motor insurance, try to be in time. First of all, I would like to show some numbers, economic indicators. And as you see, the past years was rather good for our market and especially for financial results of our company if compared with year 2022. The law of inflation was rather low, and especially very interesting numbers for us. It's new car sales. It was the first year when this number is finally up, because as you see, year 2022-21 it was minus, and this is always effect to motor insurance. Market infrastructure. We have a Belarusian Transport Insurance Bureau. It's a separate organization, and the Belarusian Association of Insurers, and we have 100% of insurers as a member of our association, and 15 insurers operated on the market. At only 6 members are the members of Belarusian Transport Insurance Bureau. And the regulator is supervision department of the Ministry of Finance. Of course, we have the Belarusian National Reinsurance Organization and the 24 brokers. Numbers of employees around 12,000, population around 9.2 million people. Insurance penetration, it's 1%, and density around $80 per capita. Dynamic of gross written premium, you see the year 2023 is plus 20%, and this is a rather good result. And you can see the whole picture for the 10 years in dollars, the gross written premium. So you can see that market premiums, it's about $700 million. Also dynamic of premiums and losses. And the past year, it was first year when it's finally the dynamic of growth rates of insurance premium was more than rates of insurance losses. Also, for understanding our motor insurance market, I would like to focus on this slide, because as you see, we have so strong dividing gross written premium in non-life insurance. State insurers hold almost 64% of the market, plus 25% of semi-state insurance, and for private business, it's 10% in gross written premium. In life insurance, the picture is a little bit another. Compulsory and voluntary, assets and equity capital. So, gross written premium for some types of insurance. Look at the dynamic. So almost all popular lines of business, they increased. And life and pension may be less, but the medical insurance, CASCA individuals and CASCA legal entities, it's almost more than 20% increase. Motor insurance. So MTPL in whole pie share, it's 15%, but the whole pie, I mean the life and pension premiums also. CASCA, it's around 18%. So you can see how it's accumulated together. And between MTPL and CASCA, so the written premium in CASCA is more than MTPL business. Approximately 3 million vehicles registered. And already we have also its assumption 11,000 electric cars. We cover by insurance around 99% for MTPL and 11% by policies, CASCA. So these vehicles, 3 million, have almost each MTPL and CASCA only 11%. Concentration on the top 5 of insurers, 76%, and individual cars and legal entities cars as well. Average premium rate per policy. I think maybe it will be interesting for my colleagues because usually we received such questions, how our people pays for the policy CASCA. Look, it's around $600, $679 per policy for the individuals. So it's a cost of CASCA. Usually it's full CASCA policies. Legal entities, it's a little bit less. As for payment and losses, average loss, which was paid in our insurance companies, is around $600 per individual's car and 1,000 for legal entities. We also pay attention to frequency of insurance payments per policy. And as you see, in year 2023, finally, we received very good numbers, 0.36, because in year 2022, for example, it was more bigger. And I remember maybe 5 years ago, for individuals, this number sometimes could be 1. And it was a really, really big loss ratio that time. Commissions. It's about, I remember Carol yesterday said, well-regulated market. It's about this, I think. So our supervisory office decide to make such a regulation like strong limit for the commission to intermediaries. To MTPL policies, it's 7% per policy from each sources, including profit, and CASCA 20%. So our insurance company cannot pay more to intermediaries than this percent, even from their profit, because everything is under control. Of course, it's not popular trends of not unusual, but frankly speaking, we had some situations when this regulation really helped to insurance companies and some companies save. As for MTPL insurance, we have 4 main segments. It's domestic insurance, border insurance, comprehensive insurance. It means domestic product MTPL plus special CASCA, and international insurance ex green card. limit 10,000 euro per life and health injury and 10,000 euro per property damage. I would like to show you the annual premium per car. It's approximately, it's 23 euro and up to 43 euro. It depends, of course, from the power of engine of the car. So it's surprising, but we really works with such tariffs, and the tariffs is regulated by law. It's number of issued policies, MTPL and CASCO. And to be in time, I just told us we expected a new insurance law from the January 2025. And I decided not to run in the future in order to everything will be good with our law. And maybe we can discuss it later on during the panel or even in the coffee breaks. So I think it's the end. Yes, it is the end. So if you have any questions, I am ready to.
Thank you very much, Irina. I have just a very, very, very short question for you. It was there in on the screen that international insurance, motor insurance, ex-green card. Okay, we know that for the time being, you cannot act within the green card, but is there some replacement for this?
It's some agreement between Russian Federation for traveling people to Russia, to Kazakhstan, and other CIS countries.
So it's regional thing.
Regional, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we call it like international insurance still.
It is. As long as it is not in your own country, it is international. Are there questions for Irina? No, maybe later because she will be also in the panel. Thank you very much, Irina, once again.